Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using multiple Ring cameras around your home, keeping them properly named is more important than most people realize. When all your devices have clear and specific names, it becomes much easier to identify which camera you're accessing, especially during alerts or when checking live view. Many users stick with default names during setup, which can later create confusion when managing multiple locations or rooms. The good thing is that renaming a Ring camera is quick and doesn't require any advanced settings. You just need to know exactly where to find the option inside the app. Once updated, the new name will reflect across your entire system instantly. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to rename your Ring camera quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Open the Ring app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Select the camera device you want to rename from your dashboard. Step 3. Tap on the settings icon for that specific camera. Step 4. Open the device settings and select the option to edit the name. Step 5. Enter the new name you want to assign to the camera. Step 6. Save the changes and confirm the updated name appears in your app.